The troubling crypto regulatory standards within the United States financial sector have got the U.S. Senate to pass an infrastructure bill worth over $1.2 trillion, alongside a crypto reporting requirement provision currently termed as unworkable. Ripple and its XRP coin have been pulling in much traction. As we've seen, this lawsuit attracts the likes of Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren, who had requested a clear-cut regulatory framework on cryptocurrency. While attracting a lawsuit from an independent auditory group of educational researchers known as the Empower Oversight Whistleblowers and Research Agency, regarding the information on the Commission's former high-ranking officials. Just as the U.S. Senator from Texas, Ted Cruz, indicated, this infrastructure bill has in it a portion that is designed to obliterate crypto. That would be a tragic mistake. Meanwhile, XRP is on the verge of a brief correction to see its price reaching $3 as we go into an on-chain and off-chain technical analysis on the price prediction for XRP. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Looking at the technical analysis for XRP, we could see that the digital asset has come up to resistance levels, just as we had earlier predicted. Here at the psychological levels at $1 on a 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level entail an overall decline at 106. A trend that corresponds to the price actions seen in late May and early June. We're seeing some formidable resistance taking shape on the horizon today. At the same time, we take another stab at trying to surpass this present resistance threshold at $1.30. You might be wondering what other cryptocurrency aside from XRP is out on the market that could get you on the path towards achieving your crypto goals before the end of this bull season. Are you looking to get your hands on an altcoin that can withstand the gloomy market conditions with vast growth potential? Well, today's your lucky day. It's a crypto-based mining platform that provisions the GSX coins, a token backed by assets through a trust, including alluvial gold mining and other base mineral mines, in addition to mineral rights to the land. Just as stated on the company's official website, the revenue generated from the sales of the GSX coin will be used to promote the investments that would allow businesses resources such as more mining lands and equipment to be bought and operated to add value to the trust. Additional outputs will be released to the trust to create a steady income stream to support the GSX token and its maintenance. Check out the links in the video description for more. Regarding the current status of the crypto market, I believe we're at the cusp of some mind-boggling trends, like we've never witnessed in the crypto sphere. Neither have we in the broader financial sphere over the last 20 years. I'm talking about a trend of events with wealth-changing hands, as the digital space engenders a high profit propensity. However, just as with every other sphere of life, with such an excellent opportunity for some comes a lockout for others. Fortunes would change wallets, while some get made, others would get laid off. On the aspect of XRP, and seeing how this digital asset has been able to stand the test of time, even amid all of the scandals that have engulfed the coin over mainly the span of the last 3 years, among some of the many reasons why XRP is going to hit a record high, surpassing the $2 mark to reach $3, is the global trend by the central banks to create a native currency pegged to the fiat currencies of the world. XRP would become a scarce commodity. Why is that? Ripple enjoys a worldwide endorsement from leading financial stakeholders to be used as a bridge currency between these digital tokens entailed by the CBDCs. The idea behind the creation of these cryptocurrencies was to eradicate the monopolistic grip that these banks wield. However, seeing that Ripple has created XRP in a bid to ameliorate the process associated with the traditional banking system, rather than antagonize its procedures, XRP is well placed to pioneer the emerging digital space. Additionally, Ripple has announced many partnerships with financial corporations from around the globe. Bagging hundreds of partnership deals in 2021 alone is enough reason to know that the ongoing lawsuit with the SEC against Ripple is not to be considered a threat to the fintech startup. Back to the technical analysis on why I think we could be seeing a $3 price value for XRP much sooner than we think. This is evident from the charts. As we can see that XRP has rejected the 0.5 zone here to trade at a much higher price range to register a resistance zone around $1.30 and a strong support level of more than $1. Seeing how quick it took XRP to flip its resistance of $1 from about a week ago into support, it wouldn't be hard to see that same turnout of events that could have this coin engaging in this trend of flipping the resistance into support until we find ourselves at the short-term target of $3. Right now, we have even bigger impulses directly before we fully enter into a correction phase, as the overall bullishness might take a bit of a nosedive in the coming weeks, signifying a massive buy pressure before the prices retrace back to cast the next compass. We don't know where or when the impending correction would come to a halt, as it could end right at either of these spots, with a higher propensity for the prices to go even higher before reaching back up. But what we do know is that we will be setting our stopwatches at some price marker. While looking for buy setups, don't go into these markets blindly, as it's best to always spot for guilty action areas, in this case the 115. In the meantime, we're expected to be on the lookout for a perfect entry point, as I suppose we all must have entered our take-profit orders long before now, as we wait for these price corrections. Based on the chart's trend and my analysis, the lowest XRP could go, given this correction, is within the 94 cents margin at this region. However, to be on the fair side, we could see these prices going as far down as 80 cents around here. If these prices break down to their previous support zone between 80 to 90 cents, below the orange line as labeled on the chart, rest assured we now have ourselves a shift in the bullish momentum towards the bearish. But for now, while looking out for that one, we should expect a trigger right at this spot any moment now. We zoom into much smaller time frames so that we could have a closer perspective at the upswings and downswings entailed by Ripple to have a clearer view to make detailed assumptions. Seeing that XRP currently encounters only a minor price correction, we are very bullish on the impulsive trend engendered by XRP's chart analysis. Now trading at $1.25 with a 12% increase over the past day, and judging from the minor price corrections, we could ascertain that the bulls are not letting the sellers make too much impact. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood perfect.